Hi, so today is Wednesday, it is tour day, and I am heading over to Arnold, Annapolis, Pendennis Mount area. That's the area just over the Naval Academy Bridge, and it is a fantastic area, great for families, lots of waterfront, water privileged communities. Folks, watch the feed, check it out. If you have any questions, just send me a message. All right, thanks. Hi folks, it's Claire. I'm on tour today and I'm at 1117 Spyglass Drive in Arnold. I'm going to check out this beautiful house. Let's go look inside. Hi folks, I am at 1117 Spyglass Drive in Arnold. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home is gorgeous. It's timeless, it's beautiful, it's move-in ready. Folks, it is perfect for entertainers and families. Come check out this house, make it your new home. Thanks. Hi, I'm at 1905 Thomas Drive on tour today in Annapolis, folks. Let's go take a look. Hi, I'm at 1905 Thomas Drive in Annapolis. It's in the Pendennis Mount area. It's just over the Naval Academy Bridge. This fantastic 5-bedroom, 3-bath home is ready to be yours. Come check it out.